Any guesses for third prize? You all saw the presentation. Any guesses? Okay. Team 16. Congratulations. Third prize. Please come forward. Give them a big round of applause.
Good evening everyone. I am from team 16 and our project is AI based intelligent fault detection and monitoring system which is designed to improve safety and reliability in electrical systems. So basically we got this idea from our mini project. So in our mini project we had done a monitoring system for ring main units which is published in IEEE Explore. So what we have done here is we trained a KNN based machine learning model using a real sensor data to classify the system conditions as normal, faulty or and then the relay modules which we used isolated the faulty feeder. So if we consider 3 feeders in a system, if there is a fault occurring in the feeder, only we usually see that every other feeder also gets affected because many of the systems do not have inbuilt monitoring system. So through this monitoring system, if there is a fault in particular feeder, only that feeder will get isolated and the rest of the feeders will have continuity in their power supply. And after some of the time, if the fault is not severe, then the machine will that particular feeder will be having self isolation, that is it will self heal, and then the continuity of the power supply will be continued. So this is a project, and I would like to extend my thanks to whole PCB Cupid team, because whatever doubts, whatever we had, everything were cleared by them, and the work which we did was helped more by them itself. We took their guidance very seriously and done this work. So on the workshops also, we implemented that Edge Impulse also through that workshop itself. So thank you for all the opportunity.